Off of Amazon, I got this convenient carrying case, and in said convenient carrying case is the Sunshade. We got some other stuff in here too. This one has its own carrying pouch. Whoa! Just pops open, and then you can unfold it, and you got the reflective side on this side. And it's huge! It'll cover the whole windshield. There's a Velcro part on top which will clip around the rear view mirror, and that'll hold it to the top. When you're done, you can just fold it back up and put it back in the carrying case. But I'm gonna show you what it looks like first. Reflective side there, and then we have that Velcro bit, which will go around here, and then it sits up right there. Totally need to put the sunshade down to hold it back up. That's pretty much it. I think it looks good. This was my sister's previous solution. You can see it's not very good. One, it does not look good. Two, it doesn't cover that whole top part, and it's flopping right here. And it just fell down. The main reason why it's doing that is not because it's windy, but it's just too short. You can see it doesn't even cover the bottom of the dash all the way. The Tesla windshields are a lot longer than your normal windshield, so if you buy something normal, this is what you're gonna get. So I'm proud to say we can throw that one away, and we're definitely gonna keep the Amazon bought one. My sister's gonna have to drive this home, so we're not putting these in, but it comes with all of these sunshades where you can completely black out your Tesla, like black the whole thing out. It comes for the back glass, it comes for the front glass, and it just goes right here, right there. It's really easy to install. I've actually done a video with a different brand for my car where they sit in the window, like little slit area. This one's a little bit different though, and it has suction cups. So you might like that better, so this one is an option. It just suction cups to your window. Just make sure you don't roll it down or up. Another thing is the glass is really light at the back right here, and it gradiently gets darker. So to cover this part, it has this piece. My sister's gonna get her windows tinted, so she didn't want it, but if you didn't want to drive around a fishbowl and you wanted some sun protection, you could put this in here. It totally fits, and again, it uses a suction cup method. It goes inside the car, not outside, it goes inside, but you can see how much of a difference that would make blocking out all that light bleeding in. Lastly, and I think my favorite part, it covers up the back triangle windows. So you can go from fishbowl city, population U, to no light bleeding in back there. Okay, there's a little bit of light bleeding in, but I think you can just move this up and it covers it. Yay! So if you like all of that for your Tesla, I'll have a link in the description below the like button. Tell me what you guys use to protect yourself inside the cabin when it gets like 90 plus. It gets hot. I wanna know what things you do to not waste all your battery on the climate. This is one of the things I do, and this is one of the things I'd recommend. This is my sister's car, and I'm just trying to help her out.